Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off notification on June's Journey application. There are two methods you can follow in order to turn off notification settings for June's Journey. The first method is by going to your phone's settings. Simply go ahead and open up the settings app on your preferred device, and from the settings menu, go ahead and look for an option that says notification and tap on it. Now, scroll through the list of apps and select June's Journey. To disable notifications from this specific app, toggle off the button right next to allow notification. Now, doing this will disable notification for June's Journey. Another way you can turn off the notification on June's Journey is by launching open the application on your device first. After you launch open the June's Journey application from the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, tap on notifications. Make sure you uncheck all of the boxes available in the display and tap on OK. Doing this will also disable notification for June's Journey. Now you should no longer receive notification from the game. So that is how you can easily turn off or disable notification on June's Journey. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.